Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing to Educate. What's in this package here is 28 ounces of cocktail smokies. What I have here is a quart jar. It's hot. What I have in this container here is 2 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper flakes. Alright, get down in there. There we go. Alright, to that I will be adding 2 of these bay leaves. See, these are fresh bay leaves. Alright. Also to that, I will be adding a generous amount of garlic. Might as well add what's left in this jar, not that much. Matter of fact, I'm going to take this and add a little bit of my vinegar water to it to make sure I get it all. Plus I need the vinegar water to dissolve the salt. So, put it in here and shake it up a little bit. There we go. Woo! Go ahead and get the rest of it. See, I'm frugal, y'all. I want all of it out of there. Okay. Let's remove that. Pour that in. Let's set all this to the side. Give me a little tablespoon. Get me a tablespoon going here. Stir that up. There we go. Nicely done. Okay, give me a minute and I will be opening this package of sausage. Guess I should have had it pre-opened, but I wanted to show y'all the package. Now, I don't know if all this is going to fit in there or not. We're going to find out together, I guess. If not, I'll do something else with it. But I absolutely love pickled sausage. My husband will eat it on occasion. But this to me is like addictive. Once they're pickled, which only takes like 2 days. Especially because these are small sausages. If I was using the bigger sausages like I used to use, you're talking a week, hey. Let's compromise here. That's a lot of sausages though. I'm just going to drop them in there. Just like that. Okay. Put them in there. If they all fit, they're all gone. If they don't all fit, I'll have some snacks. I actually like the brine flavor. The brine smokies. Isn't that what they're calling them? Yeah, the cocktail sausages. I like these better than I do Old Smokies. These have a better taste. They have way less fat in them. I'm packing that down, y'all, because I want these in there, or as many as I can get. If I have some left over, they can go into something. Okay. Now, there we go. The more the merrier in this case. Okay, now I have to have room for my liquid to go in there too. Y'all, I'm probably going to have just a little handful of these left. I mean, I'm packing that down, but I gotta have room for my liquid, y'all know what I mean? Okay, that's good. I ain't worried about it. It's not like we're canning it. So all I've got left is, maybe 10 of them. Let me rinse my hands real quick. Alright, I want to add the other, there's just 3 little leaves here. I want those to go down in there. Now, I've seen people do these and they put jalapenos in it. They put Tabasco sauce, onions, just all kinds of stuff. Y'all, I'm not into that. That's not what I want to do. But I tell you what I will add, just for the heck of it. I've got this Louisiana Cajun seasoning. Let me add bump a little bit of that on top. And it can't hurt. It's not really hot. I've tasted it. It's got a great deal of salt, and you can smell the garlic. I mean, the garlic's just like boom. Okay, what I've got mixed here in this pot is a cup and a half of water to a cup of vinegar. You want the vinegar taste, but you don't want it overbearing. Now I'm going to let that sit, because what's going to happen is that, excuse me, that vinegar and water is going to get down in there with it. And there's little air pockets. There's always air pockets. And it will absorb that. And I have learned that from past experience. So I'm going to let this sit like this for about 10 minutes. And when it's done setting, and I'm sure that the water level and the vinegar level is right, then I will add this lid here to it. But in between this lid, y'all, and that jar, I'm going to put 2 layers of saran wrap. And the reason for that is I don't want a metallic taste. And using these metal lids, I have found that you get a metallic taste somehow. But I'm going to let that sit. You can already tell that it's some of that liquid's gone down. And that's great. Okay, y'all, so that's my pickled sausage recipe. I hope y'all try it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means, leave a comment. And within 2 days or less, Muff and Eddie T gonna be eating them sausages. Y'all have a great day.